Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Farihakal, me as a host today, and today we are going to discuss two of the most important technology in our daily life. It is the internet and artificial intelligence. Nowadays, almost everything we do is connected to the internet. We use it to study, communicate, shop, working, and even entertain ourselves. But have we ever stopped to think about how important the internet really is to help us understanding this topic better? I am joined my friend today is Aldi Maulana Rizky.
Hey, what's up, Eka? Thank you for inviting me today.
Okay, how are you today?
Yes, I'm good. By the way, how about you?
Okay, I'm good also. Did you know about the topic of this conversation before?
No, I don't know. What's the topic today?
Okay, today we will talking about the internet and artificial intelligence.
I think topic today is very interesting because almost everyone use the internet every day,
Yeah.
but not everyone understand how it works or how it affect our life. The internet is a global network that connects millions of computers, smartphones, and other electronic devices around the world.
Okay.
It allows people exchange information quickly and communicate from almost anywhere. Thanks to the internet, we can send email, watch video, read news, attend an online class, and even make video call with people in different countries.
Yeah, that's true. Many people think the internet is only used for social media, but actually it has many more function than that.
Yes,
Okay, how do you think the internet has changed our daily life?
The internet has changed almost every aspect of our life. For the example, student can study online, employee can work from home, business can sell product through online marketplace, and family can stay connect even if they live far apart. Without the internet, many activity will take much longer. For example, if we wanted to find information 20 years ago, we had to go to the library. Today, we can simply search on Google and find information in seconds.
Yeah, I completely agree. I think personally, I use the internet almost every day for studying, completing assignment, watching education video, and communication with my classmates. I think the internet has made learning much easier than before. Okay, speaking about learning, how has the internet improved for education?
I think the internet has brought many benefits of education. Student can access online course, ebooks, research journal, and educational video from anywhere. Teacher can also use online learning platform to share materials, give assignment, and communicate with student. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the internet became one of the most important tools for education because almost all learning activity were conducted online.
Yes, I remember that COVID-19 is a lockdown a long time
Yes.
since 2019. Okay, without the internet, online learning would have been impossible. Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree with you.
Even today, many students still use online resources to learn new skills outside in the classroom. Okay, we just finished discussing the internet and how it's changed our daily life. Interestingly, many internet services today are become smarter because of artificial intelligence or AI. Okay? So now let's move to our second topic. Ali, when you heard the term artificial intelligence, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
First thing first, that come to my mind is technology that can think, learn, and solve problem like human. Nowadays, AI is everywhere. When we use ChatGPT to ask question, Google Maps to find a faster route, Netflix to recommend movie, or Google Translate to translate language where we actually using AI. Many people think AI is something futuristic, but the truth is we already use almost every day.
Yeah, I agree that AI has become part of our daily life today. Okay. However, I have mixed feelings about it. Sometimes I think AI is making people to depend on technology. For example, many students now use AI to answer assignment instead of studying by themselves. Don't you think that become a serious problem?
That's interesting opinion.
Yes.
I agree that some students misuse AI. However, I don't think AI itself is the problem. AI is only tools. If someone copies everything without understanding it, that's the user mistake, not the technology. Actually, AI can be a great learning assistant if students use it to understand concept instead of simply copying answer.
Okay, that's true, but don't you think the student today are become less creative? Years ago, student had to spend hour reading book, doing research, and
Yeah.
discussing idea. Now they can simply ask to AI to generate easy presentation or even programming code with a second. Yeah. I worry people may stop thinking critically.
Understand your concern, but I think AI doesn't reduce creativity. Instead, it changes the way people work. For example, when I have difficult understanding a programming concept, AI can explain it the simple language. After that, I still need practice to solve problem by myself. AI just give us direction, but we still need our own knowledge and judgment.
Okay, that's your point. So, in your opinion, AI should super learning, not replace it.
It's similar. It's similar to using calculator.
Okay,
A calculator help us to calculate faster, but still need to understand mathematics. AI works the same way. It help us to more efficiently, but we should never stop learning.
okay. Besides education, AI is also changed many industries. Okay, can you explain where AI is commonly used today?
Of course, AI is widely used in healthcare. Doctors use AI to analyze medical image and detect disease more quickly. In the business, companies
Yes.
use AI to understand computer perfect preference and improve their service.
Okay.
Bank use AI to detect suspicious financial transaction.
Yes.
Even factory use AI power robots to improve productivity and reduce human error. So AI is no longer a concept. It has become important part of many industry.
Okay, those are impressive example, I think. However, another issue people often discuss is employment. Some experts predict that AI will replace millions of jobs in this future. Honestly, that makes me a little worried. What do you think about that?
Yes, I think some jobs will definitely disappear, especially jobs that involve repetitive tasks. For example, data entry or simple administrative work may become automated.
Okay.
However, history show that every technology revolution also create new jobs. Years ago, people worried that computer would replace works. Instead, computer create careers such as software development, cybersecurity, and data analysis, and many more. I believe AI will have a similar impact. The challenge is that people need to continue learning or adapting.
Okay, so you're saying AI won't completely replace a human?
Yes, exactly. I don't believe AI can replace entirely. Human has creativity, emotion, empathy, ethics, and leadership. These are qualities that machine cannot full replicate. AI is excellent at processing data, but humans are still need to make important decisions, solve complex problems, and understand emotion. I believe the future is not human versus AI; it's human working together with AI.
Okay, I like that perspective. Okay, AI system collect enormous amounts of data. Many people worry about privacy and security. Sometimes our personal information is stored without us even realize it. Should we be concerned?
Yes, definitely. Privacy is one of the biggest challenges in AI development.
Okay.
Technology companies and government should establish clear regulation to protect users' personal information. At the same time, user should also be careful. So we should share sensitive information carelessly, and we should always check whether a platform is trustworthy before using it. Responsibility AI requires requesting responsibility user as well.
After hearing your explanation, I think AI has both strengths and weakness.
Yes.
It's not simply good or bad. Okay.
Yeah.
The outcome depends on how people choose to use it.
I completely agree with you, Haikal. AI has the potential improve education, healthcare, business, transportation, and many other areas. However, if people becomes too dependent on it or use it responsibility, it can also create new problems. That's why education and digital literacy are becoming more important than ever.
Wow, that's a good point from you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Before we end this discussion, could you give one final message about artificial intelligence?
Yes, certainly artificial intelligence is one of the greatest technology information of our time. Instead of fearing AI, we should learn how it works and use wisely. Technology should help humans become more productive, creative, and efficient. But at the same time, we must continue developing our own skill because critical thinking, creatively communicate, and ethic will always be valuable.
Okay, Aldi, thank you for your sharing thoughts. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
I really enjoy our discussion today. We learned that artificial intelligence offer many opportunities, but it also bring new challenges that society must face responsibly. And with that, we've reached the end of today's podcast. Okay, thank you everyone for listening. We hope you enjoy our discussion about the internet and artificial intelligence. I am Muhammad Farahekal as a host.
And I'm Aldi Malariski as a guest. Thank you for listening. See you in our next podcast.
Okay, see you.